In today's world of modern naval power, few ships symbolize the strength and technological prowess of their respective nations quite like the USS Gerald R. Ford and the HMS Queen Elizabeth. These two carriers represent the very best of the US Navy and Royal Navy, respectively, standing as symbols of their country's maritime strength and strategic innovation. The USS Gerald R. Ford, part of a new class of American supercarriers, showcases some of the most advanced technology ever integrated into a naval vessel. Its nuclear reactors, cutting-edge launch systems, and high-capacity air wing make it a formidable force on the global stage. This carrier embodies the US Navy's commitment to maintaining dominance in sea-based power projection. On the other hand, the HMS Queen Elizabeth marks the UK's return to operating large fleet carriers, a critical component of the Royal Navy's global presence and a key asset for joint operations with Allied forces. Though smaller than the Ford, the Queen Elizabeth combines efficiency and flexibility tailored to the Royal Navy's unique strategic needs and Britain's role in NATO and international coalitions. Equipped with advanced short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft like the F-35B, it exemplifies a modern, adaptable approach to carrier design. Both ships push the boundaries of naval engineering, yet their designs reflect the different philosophies of the US Navy and Royal Navy. In this video, we'll dive into how these supercarriers compare, exploring their technology, power, and roles within their respective navies to see which one stands out as the ultimate symbol of naval supremacy. The USS Gerald R. Ford, commissioned in 2017, is the lead ship of a new class of US Navy supercarriers. It spans a massive 1,106 feet in length and displaces over 100,000 tons, making it one of the largest warships ever constructed. Its expansive flight deck is designed for streamlined aircraft operations with enough space to support a diverse range of planes and helicopters. On the other hand, the HMS Queen Elizabeth, commissioned in 2017 as well, is slightly smaller, measuring 920 feet with a displacement of about 65,000 tons. It features a distinctive ski jump ramp at the bow, optimized for short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft like the F-35B. This design suits the Royal Navy's focus on flexible, multi-role missions and aligns with Britain's long-standing tradition of operating ski jump-equipped carriers. The USS Gerald R. Ford is powered by two A-1B nuclear reactors, allowing it to reach speeds over 30 knots, approximately 35 miles per hour, and granting it virtually unlimited operational range for 20 to 25 years before refueling. This nuclear capability not only enables the Ford to deploy rapidly across the globe, but also allows it to sustain high-power systems on board, such as advanced radar and potential future energy weapons like lasers or railguns. In contrast, the HMS Queen Elizabeth relies on an integrated full electric propulsion system, combining two Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbines and 4 diesel generators. This hybrid propulsion enables a top speed of around 25 knots, 29 miles per hour. While slower and less powerful than nuclear propulsion, this system is cost-effective, reliable, and suited to the Royal Navy's typical deployments, which often involve coalition operations with NATO allies. One of the USS Gerald R. Ford's key advantages is its capacity to handle a larger air wing than previous carriers, with the ability to carry up to 75 aircraft. Its deck is outfitted with the cutting-edge Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, which replaces the older steam catapults. EMALS enables smoother, faster launches, increasing sortie rates by up to 33% over the previous Nimitz class. The Ford's air wing includes a mix of FA-18 Super Hornets, EA-18G Growlers, E-2D Hawkeyes, and F-35C Joint Strike Fighters, which provide a robust combination of air superiority, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance capabilities. The HMS Queen Elizabeth, designed around the F-35B, operates around 40, F-35B aircraft with the ski jump ramp tailored to support short takeoff and vertical landing operations. This configuration allows the F-35Bs to perform short takeoffs, making the Queen Elizabeth flexible and capable of operating in a variety of settings without the need for a catapult system. While it lacks the sortie rate of the Ford, the Queen Elizabeth's design prioritizes simplicity, efficiency, and adaptability. The USS Gerald Ford includes a comprehensive suite of defensive systems such as the RIM 162 Evolved Sea Sparrow missile, RIM 116 Rolling Airframe missile, and Phalanx Close-In weapon system. These provide multi-layered protection against incoming missiles and aerial threats. Additionally, the Ford's advanced radar system enhances its situational awareness and threat detection, reinforcing its ability to operate in high-threat environments. The HMS Queen Elizabeth, while not as heavily armed as the Ford, is equipped with defensive systems that include the Phalanx CIWS and 30 mm automated guns. The Royal Navy's philosophy emphasizes integration with Allied support vessels for additional protection, so the Queen Elizabeth often relies on escort ships to provide a defensive shield. The Ford-class carriers represent a major leap forward in terms of technology. The USS Gerald R. Ford not only uses EMALS for aircraft launches, but also features the advanced arresting gear for smoother, safer landings. Both systems reduce wear on aircraft, decrease maintenance requirements, and enable quicker turnaround times between launches. Additionally, the ship is equipped with an advanced radar suite and power systems capable of supporting future weapons, making it a truly future-proof vessel for the U.S. Navy. The HMS Queen Elizabeth, while not as technologically advanced in some areas, is built with a philosophy of modular flexibility. Its design allows for future upgrades as technology evolves, and its focus on short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft simplifies flight deck operations and reduces the complexity of maintaining catapult and arresting gear systems. This approach, while less experimental than the Ford's, emphasizes reliability and ease of deployment. The USS Gerald Ford's price tag of approximately $13 billion reflects its role as the most advanced aircraft carrier ever built, with complex systems that aim to maintain U.S. naval dominance well into the future. Its design is optimized for high-tempo, long-duration operations that align with the U.S. Navy's global power projection strategy. The Ford's ability to deploy anywhere in the world for extended periods allows the U.S. to respond quickly to various conflicts and maintain a strong military presence. The HMS Queen Elizabeth, on the other hand, cost approximately £3 billion, around $4 billion USD, showcasing a more balanced approach between technology and cost efficiency. The Royal Navy's focus with the Queen Elizabeth class is to provide a versatile, capable platform for joint and coalition operations, allowing the UK to participate in a wide range of missions with NATO allies. While it lacks some of the advanced systems found on the Ford, it's an affordable and capable solution for the UK's strategic needs. Both the USS Gerald R. Ford and HMS Queen Elizabeth represent their country's most advanced naval assets, but with different strengths and philosophies. The Ford is a technological marvel designed for sustained power projection and equipped with the latest in launch and recovery systems, defensive weaponry, and future-proof capabilities. The Queen Elizabeth, while smaller and less technologically aggressive, is versatile, efficient, and tailored for multi-role operations within NATO and international coalitions. What do you think? Which one is better suited for modern naval warfare? Is the USS Gerald R. Ford's advanced technology worth the high price, or does the HMS Queen Elizabeth's adaptability make it a smarter choice? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth looks. at the world's most powerful naval vessels.